With summer coming to a close, many of us want to make the vacation season last a little bit longer. Well, you're in luck because 92 at 30 Green Valley Drive is now officially on the market. So swipe right on this large townhouse with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, surrounded by nature with a pool. Don't worry, you won't have to lift a finger here, even in those drab winter months. This property is maintenance-free and located in a secluded area, just steps to the walking trails of the Grand River, and yet only minutes to the expressway and the 401. On the second level, the spacious rooms with neutral warm tones, newer flooring, and updated lighting will allow you to just move in and enjoy. Down the hall, the renovated eat-in kitchen with 3 appliances and to-the-ceiling shaker cabinets with crown moldings gives you the high-end feeling you're looking for. My favorite part about the kitchen is that it overlooks the green space and the pool. Off the foyer is a 2-piece bathroom. Large updated windows in the oversized great room cast the perfect amount of sunshine inside throughout the day. Upstairs, the bedroom level has been fully updated and boasts 3 large bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and lots of closets. You can also enter on the main level, where you will find the family room with an inside entry from the garage, a laundry area, and a walkout to the private, tranquil, landscaped yard. So toss your shovel and fire your pool boy if you want to, because everything here is covered in your condo fees. And the best part is, this house isn't mine, and it should be yours.